Okay, so in this video we'll be doing conditional probability with Venn diagrams, and we're given a question and it involves students, 50 students, and they study maths or English. So this is going to be a double Venn diagram question. So we'll begin by drawing out the double Venn. So we have 1 and then 2 and then a square box around it. And we'll label the first one maths and the second one English. And we always begin by doing the middle bit first. So we're told that 23 study maths, 17 study English, and 10 students study both. So we want to fill the middle bit as a 10. And then we're told that 23 study maths. So both of these must add up to 23. So we do 23 minus 10 is 13. And we're also told that 17 study English, so 10 plus 7 must equal 17. And then we must fill the outside bit. That's the students who study neither maths nor English. So if we add these up, 13 plus 10 plus 7 is 30. And there's 50 students, so there must be 20 remaining. So that's the Venn diagram. And now that we've got the Venn, we can now answer the questions. So the first question, we need to work out the probability that they study maths given that they study English. So in conditional probability, we must always write it out in symbols. So this is the probability that they study maths given that they study English. So there's the given them bit. So this is M given English. And now we can answer the question. So this given them bit should be seen as a kind of a division. And we always fill in the bottom bit first. So this will be the people who study English. And there's 10 plus 7. And we should just write it out and not simplify at this stage. And out of the 10 and the 7, we then select the ones that are in maths. So out of these two, the 10 is in the maths. So that goes there. And now we can simplify, so that's 10 over 17. Okay, part B, we've got given they study one subject only, they study English. So the probability that they study English given that they study only one subject. So only one. And just like the other one, we begin with the given them bit first. So only one subject, that's the 13 and the 7, because this is maths only and this is English only. And out of these two, which one is in English? And that's only the 7. So that goes there, and now we simplify. That's 7 over 20. And part C, they do not study English given that they do not study maths. So part C, they do not study English given that they do not study maths. And this dash symbol means that they do not. So we always do the given them bit first. So they do not study maths. So out of these four, the 7 and the 20 are not in maths. So that's 7 plus 20. And out of the 7 and the 20, we need to select the one that is not in English. So that's the 20. So that'll be 20 over 27. And lastly, part D, they study maths given that they study at least one subject. So we'll first put that in symbols. So the probability that they study maths given that they study at least one subject, so at least one, equals, and we always do the given them bit first, so at least one, that's all three of these numbers, 13, 10 and 7, 7, and out of those three we need to select the ones that are in maths, and that's the 13 and the 10. So the 13 and the 10 go on top. And then we simplify this, that's 23 over 30. So notice that the method here is that we always do the given them bit first, and we never simplify. And the numbers that appear on top can only come from the numbers at the bottom. So for example, in the first one, the English is 10 and the 7, and although maths is 13 and 10, the 13 is not at the bottom, only the 10 is. So that's that.